Hello, this is U3SUA Sunil Lakhani from Lucknow, India. Today we are going to discuss something about our new kit that is going to come out very soon. That is the ubitx version 5. So let me tell you that many people would be interested in version 6. So there is no much difference in version 6 and version 5. Basically the circuit is same, only the display is different, which HF signal has used a different display. In this particular version you can use 1602 display and all the other Nexen displays in various sizes. So I did this is the first from the kit that I built from ubitx. We got some PCBs made just to test it out, but it has come out in flying colors, like extremely good. The PCB design is excellent, as done by one of my friend who is a old and this is a double side PCB. Let me show you first a look at the PCB. So here's it. These are the filters, all the bands. This is a driver section. This is a PA. These are the crystal filter and IF sections. The audio amplifier we have is on this board. This board basically has the firmware, the Arduino Nano, and the audio amplifier is also mounted on this. The audio amplifier uses LM386 SMT, which has a better performance than the DIP one. The audio is extremely good, very powerful, and it is in fact the audio is much better than the ubitx version, original ubitx version 5. I did get some replies on Facebook, people telling me to look at the audio, but the audio is very good, excellent audio. There is no need of adding any other audio amplifier. Previously we did add an audio preamplifier with a kit. We used another amplifier to increase the audio. So we are not doing anything in this, so it is as it is. So here's this board. This board plugs in. It is I think so a bit bigger board than what Redino was, but this plugs in into the main board. And what I've done here is I've taken the wires for the Nexen display, and here's the Nexen display. This is the enhanced Nexen display, and the resolution is very nice. The colors are very vibrant, and the guy who has written this firmware or designed this Nexen has an excellent job. In coming days I'll be giving more videos how this is working. So here is the basic setup. Here the power is coming in. Here we have got a fuse out here. This is the antenna. This is a makeshift box that I'm using. This is a 3.5 inch Nexen box that I'm using. So here you have got this Nexen. We got the PTT mic, phones, key, everything is working fine. Audio, volume control, power. We got the extra mic socket which you can use, which have a 4 or 5 pin connector. We have got one extra control out here, which we can use to increase and decrease the power if we want to. So this is basically the enclosure that I was selling for the ubitx setup, the PCBs from kits from Farhan. So these boxes I had made for the ubitx kit. So basically I'm using this same box out here for this do-it-yourself kit. So let me switch this on and show you the colors. I'll switch this on. I did not have the antenna connected as yet, that I'll do later. But let me show you. It's got very vibrant colors. Let me increase the volume. So presently no antenna is connected, so you won't get anything. Otherwise, the volume is sufficient, the audio is sufficient. In my next video I will show you how the audio is coming out from this transceiver. I just have to monitor a few QSOs, and that I'll show. This meter displays is for analog meter. It can also be used for OLED, small OLED. If you want to have a separate meter, if you want to have an RF meter, so that is your wish. So I just want the feedback from all friends on Facebook and other people who are coming on to my Facebook profile to let me know what else they want, because this time we'll be boxing this. We would need some ideas that if anything extra, that should not be very much complicated, something easier that can be incorporated into this. What I felt was that ATU with two capacitors, like a T-type tuner, could be incorporated into this with LEDs showing forward and reflected. So I want some views, I want some feedback and some suggestions that what you guys require, so we can design the enclosure likewise. This kit is basically for people who are willing to build it, want to learn something, or want to have the fun building themselves. So this kit is for them. Newcomers can also attempt it. Regarding the manual, it is already on Farhan's site, HF Signals, where the complete description of the transceiver is given. So we have not made something new that you would require a manual for it, but still we'll try to see what we can do. But most of the manual or the details are already put up on Farhan's website. So that's why we had gone for this. We did not make much changes, so to make it easier for a builder to understand what is already information is already available on the website, or Farhan's website, HF Signals. So we had taken due permission from Mr. Farhan to make this kit, and he suggested that I go for a do-it-yourself kit. So this should be helpful. So I'll say thank you, and I'll be coming up with more videos soon. Thank you.